my channel. My name is Natasha. If you didn't know and you're new, welcome. If you are subscribed already, thank you for clicking on my video. And if you're not, don't forget to hit the subscribe button because I post regularly fashion videos and lifestyle videos. So yes, and it's all about good vibes around here. So make sure to subscribe to my channel and press that notification bell so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. So today's video is a wig video. Guys, I have never put on a wig. I have no idea how to put a wig on. So yes, this is just going to be me trying to put the wig on and show you guys how it looks. So this wig is a synthetic wig and it's from this company, Labello. I don't know how to pronounce it, so I will just pop the name right here and I will link it down below, of course. So if you're interested, you can shop the wig. So I bought this wig a few months ago actually, but I didn't try and put it on. This is the wig. It looks very cute. I love how the hair looks, and it's like short, as you can see. It's a bob and it's wavy, and I love the texture. I must say it feels really great, and it doesn't feel synthetic at all. Look at this, it's very flowy. You know, sometimes synthetic hair can look like really, I don't know, like plasticky and don't like move. But I'm very impressed with this wig, guys. Can you see the highlights? They are so beautifully dispersed around the wig. It looks very nice and very natural. It doesn't has a lace frontal or anything. It has like this look-alike scalp part thing, and I must say it looks very pale, so maybe they focused more on lighter skin girls, but because the scalp is looking very pale and white to me, but the material is very good. It's like a rubber-ish material and it looks like a scalp. So that's that. And this is the front of the wig. It's basically a bob with a fringe, and guys, I must say I tried this on one time, but I didn't like secure it or put it the right way. I just threw it on and took a picture, and I posted that picture, this, on my Instagram. So, and by the way, if you're not following me on Instagram, make sure to follow me there. I post every day outfit pictures. I don't like the fringe look for me, so I don't know what I was thinking when I ordered the fringe one. I think it was better for me to just pick up the normal one without the fringe, but whatever. I guess I thought with the fringe you can like hide that it's a wig. So I'm gonna try and put the wig without a cap. I hope it's not a big deal. I also did braids, like cornrows. I figured the hair is wavy, so it doesn't have to lay as flat as possible, I guess. I'm just lazy, whatever. I'm gonna bobby pin my hair together. I will show you guys in a minute what I'm doing. Let me do the first one. I think this is the way you should do this step. This, and then this one can just put here. I will show you guys with the other two, what I'm doing from the back. So now that we have the braids secured like this, we can start and put the wig on. This is the inside of the wig. Let me show you guys. You got like this comb You got basically two combs in the front, and at the back you have like this little strings that you can pull and secure, and there are like hoops in here, so it should secure pretty good. So let's try this. How do I do this? Oh my god. Okay, 1 2 3. What the hell? Ow. Wait a second, guys. Don't panic. I will really try my best and do this as good as I can. It itches. Ow. I look like Dora. Oh my god. You know, Dora the Explorer. Let's think logically. This is the hairline, so it's just the same as mine hairline, and then the fringe. Ooh. And then the fringe should come to the front. Let's just pull it more at the back. This is it. Now I'm gonna pull the strings. Remember the strings? I just need to find them first. Okay, I have one. Oh, the string is at the inside? Yeah. Okay, I'm pulling now. Trying to find like one of the hoops to actually secure it. Yes, that's it. How do I look? I don't know. It's the fringe for me. Like, I know I don't look good with fringe, so I think that's why I don't really like this look. I definitely don't know what to think about his hair, guys. It's just the fringe for me. I think I don't suit fringe. But other than that, I think the wig itself looks pretty good, right? Does it look like my own hair? I think I can wear this and tell everyone that I cut my hair. What do you guys think? I don't know. I have like a love-hate relationship right now with this wig. What if we put like a hat on? Wait a second. So I just went ahead and put a hat on like this. I don't know. I think it looks cute, and at the same time it's stupid. I think it's just the hairstyle, but the wig quality is pretty good. I think it's just the hairstyle. I just bought the wrong hairstyle for me. Okay, wait a second. Let's try this. Oh, wait. Like this. Ooh, guys, I like this. It's just the fringe for me. It's the fringe. The wig is awesome. Like, for the price, girl. And this is the Ming wig from La Bella Beauty. I will pop it again here. And this is Ming, and it has highlights. As you can see, I really like this. This wig is 28 pounds, and that is like 32 euros or something like that. So for a really affordable wig, I think this looks so cute, guys. I love it. I love it with a hat on. I just love it. I'm so stupid. I just love this. And yes, this wig is 100% heat resistant fabric synthetic wig. So actually, if I wanna straighten this one up, I could. They don't tell. Oh yeah, maximum heat 160 degrees. Okay, the style is wavy with bangs. The color is black with highlights. of course. It fits any head size because of the string things, adjustable straps, soft and natural feel. It has definitely a very soft and natural feel. It's washable. Please scroll down for hair care. Okay, so here they give you like a hair care routine. That's nice of them. High quality synthetic material. It's definitely high quality. I think it's worth every single penny. I may start wearing this wig with a hat. I love it, guys. I love this wig so much. Oh my god, maybe I will be buying some wigs from them in the future because they have really cute wigs available. Let me show you guys a few of them. Oh my god, this wig is so cute, guys. The omoche. This very bougie wig looks so cute as well. Look at this girl looking fabulous. Oh my god. And for the price, I'm telling you. So yes guys, this was it, and I really recommend this wig. It's very easy to put on. I have no idea how to put a wig on before this, and I'm sure it's not that easy with all wigs, but this wig, it feels so good. The hair doesn't feel synthetic at all, so I really recommend it, and definitely get your style. Whenever I will rock this wig, I will throw on a cap because I think it looks pretty good like this. I really love it like this. With the bang, I don't feel it. It doesn't look that bad, but it's not me. It doesn't look like Natasha, you know. But I already knew that, so I don't know why on earth I ordered the one with the fringe. But other than that, it's really nice. It comes with a wig cap, and it comes in a bag where you can reuse it and just store your wig. So I really love this. I hope you guys like this video, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I will put it here, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It will mean the world to me, and press that notification bell so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. And definitely comment down below, let me know if you liked this video, and if you want to see more of these affordable wigs, let me know in the comments. And yes, with no further ado, thank you for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.